Fairy wren blessings all. I have an Eastern Rosella in my garden. Hello, sweetheart. The Eastern Rosella is very cautious. It's a beautiful Australian bird, and they are very hard to photograph because you just cannot get close to them. I managed to get some photos, and now I'm doing a little video. Oh, Angel. There you go, everybody. A beautiful Eastern Rosella. They're a parrot, an Australian parrot. I've managed to get photos of the crimson rosellas. They're red and blue. And I will show you in other videos, photos, my bird photos, my photography. Bye, sweetheart. Blessings all. Thank you for dropping into the fairy wren garden.